What's up, YouTube? We got the cold steel flange mace, made in India. That's a new one. Okay. Usually they're in Taiwan, but they got new ownership. Ooh, this has really got some good weight to it. These were used in the medieval period to hit armor. You hit somebody in the elbow or the knee and they would be immobilized because the armor would dent in. Pretty lethal weapon. A lot of archers, guards would carry these. Let me see here. That thing weighs about a good 5 pounds at least. Overall length, 21 inches. And we got about 4 inches for the diameter of the blade head here. Pretty good weapon. Yeah, Cold Steel just came out with this. Had a hard time trying to find a dealer online that has them.